subsequently perform an immediate search and rescue operation in the area. US Coast Guard supported us with boats and helicopter. Unfortunately, despite the rapid rescue operation, the passenger sustained fatal injuries, and we just learned she passed away. We are offering our full support to the authorities who are involved in this matter. I know I speak on behalf of all of you when I say our prayers are with the person and their family. Our ETA alongside Port Canaveral will be in about 45 minutes from now. We apologize for the delay, sure that you all understand the circumstance. Thank you very much.
Your cruise director, just to reiterate what the captain just said, around 5 a.m. we were alerted that a passenger was overboard, and we performed an immediate search and rescue operation. The U.S. Coast Guard was there to escort us with the boats and a helicopter. And due to fatal injuries, we learned that the passenger has passed away. We are offering our full support to the authorities who are all involved in this matter, and I know I speak on behalf of all of us on this ship right now when I say our prayers are with this person and her family. Just to reiterate, our ETA alongside for Port Canaveral will be in approximately 45 minutes from now. Once again, our ETA to Port Canaveral will be approximately 45 minutes from now. We apologize once again for the delay, but we hope you understand the circumstances. Thank you all for your attention.